Why would I get bored of playing chess though? It's a great game. Let's play a pure Danish Gambit here. I have played GTA on stream. Yeah, I played Valorant too. Valorant was my second most played game in 2020 after chess. So yeah, I have played Valorant. I might play some more Valorant. The league guys are all here, so or not league guys. Sorry, the Valorant guys are all here, so I might try to play some more Valorant soon. It's a thought, actually. It's a legit thought for right now. I mean, I'm bronze. I think if I grind, I can get to like silver or gold. Probably not more than that, but still maybe a chance. Valorant guys, give me some useful tips. I haven't actually asked them yet, but I'll definitely I'll ask them when I see them today or tomorrow. I should play Rainbow, but the problem is the Rainbow guys are all in Vegas. So like I'm here in California, so like the League guys are here, the Valorant guys are here, and these are the people that I've seen. Didn't you scream at Ludwig after killing him where he was camping? Oh no, Ludwig was saying I wouldn't get any kills in that game, so I wasn't screaming at Ludwig. But yeah, it was funny though because Ludwig was like Ludwig. I remember like he was. I think he was acting like gold was really special, and it's funny because gold is decent, but it's not like it's not anything special. Yeah, sub bros who like chess. I saw what's his drone. It was a drone. I think it is. He's like what CS drone, right? Um, is it drone CS:GO? What was his name? Yeah, yeah. Yeah, it was drone. So TSM FTX drone. I saw him playing chess on online 2 days ago in the Valorant room. So I saw him playing chess online. Sub Rosa definitely has played chess. I know Hayes has played chess. So yeah. Go here, hit the queen, hit the knight. He resigns. Keep